Hello guys, welcome back. In this today's class what we are going to learn is the objective of today's class is how to download images or ISO file from the this site. We are going to use hub.docker.com. Then second objective is that generally we used to download the ISO file or images, right? Now second thing is that how to download the different version of the images, different versions of the images. Then once it is done, we'll see how to delete the images, right? So for that I have opened my so for demonstration purpose, here what I have done is I have taken EC2 instance from the AWS Amazon Web Services, right? So here just I'm going to check is there any existing images or not, right? For that, what is the command we need to use is docker images. If you see that here I don't have any images, right? So for that, what we are going to do is we'll go to internet so that we will find some images. So for that, what is the site we have to use is hub.docker.com. Right, here you can find the almost all images are ISO files, right? Suppose for example I want to download the Ubuntu operating system, something like that, right? So like this we have to different type of the Ubuntu operating system. Let it be for example just it is only 5 MB operating system, right? So this is only 5 MB Ubuntu operating system, right? So if you see that a minimal docker image based on the Alpha and Linux operating system, right? So for that, what we will do is first click on that image, right? So this one we will be having the different types, right? So let me open this one. Once it is done, right? So first what we have to do is we need to import this or pull this image into a workspace. Workspace is nothing but this is my so docker machine where it is running. So for that, what is the command we need to use is docker pull image. If you see that by default, what is the tags? If you see that by default tag, it is the latest version, right? So see that if it is latest version, right? So if you are mentioning or if you are not mentioning, the default tag is the latest version, right? So for that, what is the command we need to use? If you are not specifying the what is the version you want to download, by default it will consider the latest version of the particular image, right? So just I'm copying this command docker pull alpine, right? So let me go back to my this one, right? So just paste here, right? So command is docker pull. So what is the image name? Image. So like that, if you want to give, you can give the colon what version it is. Latest means by default whatever it is uploaded latest version, that will be downloaded here. Or if you are not typing latest also, by default it will take the tag as the latest version, right? So now see that it is using the default tag latest. It means that if you are specifying or if you are not specifying, it will take the so default tag as the latest, right? Now we'll try to see the command. Again I'm going to type the docker images. Now see that what is the name of that one? Alpha. So tag means version is latest. So this is the image ID we have. So what is the use of this image ID means? So if you have the multiple images, you can recognize by using either name or you can use the image IDs, right? So this is one advantage. So next what we are going to do is, right, so this is the default image which we are going to download from the hub.docker.com. Now what I'm going to do is, the moment if I go to here tags, right, so after going to Alpine, right, Linux operating system, here we will be having the different tags, right? If you observe here, right, so here we will be having the tags. Latest means by default it will be updated to the latest version of the operating system, right? So these are the available tags. Let me for example, if I open this one, I want to install this 3 version. I don't want any more with the latest version. So in this case what we have to do is, right, so these 3 we have to mention. So how to mention is that, so again going back using the same command, pull command, right? So going to my AWS, okay, just typing same command docker pull alpine. Now here we need to specify the what is the tag of that particular image, right? So I'm going to download this 3, right? So it means that I'm going to download this one, right? So just click enter. Right, now what is happening, see, so it is pulling the image library from, right, first it will locally it will check. If it is not there, then where it will go means it will go to the hub.docker.com. so from that the image is available, so that it is going to download. If you want to see that image, command is docker images. Now see that we have the images. What is the tag? Version 3. This is one more is the latest version, right? Now if you try to again download the same version of the images, something latest or what will be happen. So it is already downloaded, right? Now using default tag latest, right? So if you see here, image is up to date for this one, right? So if you want to check again, just type the command Docker images, so that here we don't have 3 images, right? So one which we have already downloaded with the tag is latested, right? Again, if you are going to perform the same command, it is already latest version only, so again it will not download the any image, right? So here if you see that how many images we have, 2 images we have, right? So what is the image ID? This is a different image ID. This is also one more different image ID, right? So what is the next objective? So we have completed the how to download the image or ISO file from the hub.docker.com, then how to download the different version of images. Now we'll see how to delete the images, right? So for that, what is the command we need to use is docker remove image. The command is docker remove image. So RMI, remove image. So either we can specify the repository nothing but alpine:3 alpine:latest. It means that we are going to give this one so that it will be deleted. So instead of doing this, we have the one more way is that, so here we have image ID, right? So each image ID will be unique from one image to the another image. If you see that there is a different number, this is the different number something you will be having, right? By using these images also we can able to delete it, right? So it means that why we have the same image ID means it may be same operating system. So let me give this image ID, right? So copy paste here. Now what is it is asking means, right? So image is, so multiple repositories, right? Now what we will do means, if it is not downloading, just we can remove it by using forcefully, right? So for that, what option we have to use, -F, right? Now see that it is deleted, right? Now we'll type the command docker images. Now see that we don't have any image. The reason is that if you see that the image ID of this one also same, because we are downloading the same repository, right? So if you are downloading the some other, so this image ID will be different. So if you are downloading some other repository, this image ID will be different. So that if you want to delete the multiple images at a time means, what is the command you need to use? First here we need to write, so what is the corresponding image ID? So image ID is means, so image ID 1 we need to enter space, next we need to enter image ID 2, like image ID 3, like that we need to enter, so that at a time we can able to remove the multiple images, right? So in this class what we have learned is how to pull the images from the central repository is nothing but hub.docker.com, then how to download the different versions of the images using the tags, then how to remove the single image or multiple images, right? Thank you.